Enjoy the view of this 2022 Nissan Titan. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 45,000 miles on the odometer. The bold styling of this powerful Titan is just the start. This full-size pickup delivers the strength and capability you need to meet the challenge. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: intelligent auto on-off high beams, pre-collision system, lane departure warning, keyless entry, backup camera, adaptive cruise control, heated mirrors, satellite radio, keyless start, four-wheel drive. Add a new level of luxury to every excursion in this handsome Titan. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.